Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to do Discord color text. So basically, you need to go to a channel first and go to the messages. And for the color orange or red, you need to type in the backquote, 3 backquotes, then type in, then click on Shift Enter to go to a new line. And you need to put on a slash like that or a line. You can type in anything you want. Hi guys. Then end it with a 3 backquote again. Click on enter. And that's how I do the red one. Now for orange, what you want to do is put on 3 backquotes again. Then type in the word TSS. Then go enter, shift enter. Then what you need to do is put on square brackets for this. So square brackets needed. And you'll type in the same thing. Type in the same thing, then close it off again with a bracket, just like so. Afterwards, put a backquote again. So I printed the color blue, so it's not orange, my bad, so it's basically blue. So next is, let's see, fix. This is the next one. So what you need to do is just like that, then enter. Then with this, you won't need any brackets and stuff. So as you can see, it's like a light blue kind of color. You don't need a bracket or anything. It's more flexible and stuff. So put on 3 backquotes again, and there. So basically, it's the same color. So for the next one, you could type in ash, scroll down, and quote, hi guys again, backquote, and something like that. So it's like a light blue color. So you could just search it up and mess around, but this is how you do it. So it's like Discord made it for developers so that they can organize their work properly when they do their stuff on Discord and something like that. That's it guys. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.